Mr. Kelsey, you ready for carb service?
Thanks very much. Only me. This is the latest project. It's a 1980s CT110 and it was imported by Triad in Brighton, and it had been in a Honda dealership. I got it and it was what was it, orange and it was like orange and silver. It was like a real bad paint job. So we stripped it down, sanded it, prepped it for paint. I've got this beautiful gunmetal finish on the frame and on the plastic bits. There's more plastic around here, but that's still downstairs in spray shop. And we eventually got all the paint off this, and the chrome's not good enough, so we're going to paint that red as well. So today I'm going to be having a look at the carburettor. So here we go, this is the power unit. Millions of these made. Well, best engines in the world. Right, so I'm going to go black with this, with a few odd bits polished up. And this is what we've got. With an exploded view of this carb. And this was actually in fact, 2 copies of this was in a cupboard in Tony's workshop. So, here we go. Let's get the sump off. Is it called the sump?
Fuel bowl.
Fuel bowl. Beautiful. I shall let them on Blue Peter. So this is an anti-steam thing for my glasses. It's supposed to last 12 hours. Let's have a look inside. Look at that. Clean. Which is good news. Plastic float. Right, what else shall I get off? Right, let's get this tap off. Because there's a little filter inside here. And it says in the book we should clean it with the toothbrush. Have you got a toothbrush, Tom?
Nope. Brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner. Oh. Where's the other screw? Oh, there it is. Patience, patience. So the last time this had petrol going through it, it was American petrol. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that, it looks well clean. Everybody's laughing at me now. How does that come out? Let's have a look at the exploded view. 23 fuel filter O-ring. Oh, in Yorkshire. Oh, it feels that it quite still bouncy. Now there it is. Still flexible, that's good. There's the filter. Look at that. Looks like it doesn't need a toothbrush. That looks well clean. Pretty cool. So there we go, what's that bit there? That is 21. The clip. I'll give you a clip. 22. Drain tube. It's blocked. Oh, because there's a wooden thing at the end. Who put that there, Tony? Pressure. Cool, so there we go. Back with the carb. And I said earlier about American petrol. I did mean gas. Easy, Tiger. See that? That could have sprung off. Sprung. Just get the slide out. And on the end of the slide, it's got the needle. So I need to have a look at the condition. Use the anti-mist anti-mist tissue to clean the glasses and the needle. It's not pitted or ridged or anything. I think that could be a little bit worn, but I could be wrong. We'll get the master to have a look at that. Does that actually come out of there? Can you get different? Oh, yeah. Is it with a screw thread?
No, there'd be a clip on the other end.
There'll be a clip on the other end.
Look in the other end.
Look in the other end. Oh, there's a little clip in there. You probably need a special little tool for that. It's called a clip tool. What's it called, Tony? Right, just so I don't want to damage it, just pull this locating pin. That really sounded like I knew what I was doing by saying locating pin. That's a float. Oh. Oh. Now that'll be in the manual, which way up that'll be. Right, so this is the main jet there. Look. There it is. Main jet, number 13. Needle jet. It's right, so let's get this out. A bit of pressure, don't want to damage it. Ah, okay, so the jet is coming out with the needle jet holder. Okay, so what we need to do, all I need to do is try and get the jet out of the holder, and then we'll be, once the jet's out of the holder, see those little holes there, and just get some nostril hair and clean the holes there. So there we go. That's 7mm. Don't use 7mm very often. Easy, Tiger. There we go. Covered. Oh. So that is the jet. And that's what this sits into.
No.
Okay. So what does that sit into then?
Into the emulsion tube.
Don't get cocky. Have I taken the emulsion tube off?
Yeah, you just took the jet out of it.
Oh, this is... Eh? So that goes in there? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that goes in there like that. Oh, it's upside down.
And don't go all the way down.
All right, chill out. Right, so that's the jet. How do we know if that's not worn?
It won't be worn, it might be blocked.
American gas. Oh, just give us 2 seconds. we're not going to use nostril air. We'll use a bit of a... It's a bit weaker than nostril air. Well, actually, easy. With my eyebrows, I have been known in the makeup truck. Not that I wear makeup. I've had to have my eyebrows regularly trimmed as they cast a shadow over my face. Can't see any light through there.
Cut!